Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first we have to come see gigabyte.com. This is the official website of Gigabyte, so you can download the driver. Then you can see here search button and then enter your model number of your motherboard and then hit enter. Then click on product, then title of the motherboard name, click on subject support, then select operating system which is you required, Windows 10, 11. Select. So Windows 10 on 11, the installations process same. First audio, Realtek audio driver. And click to download. It will just download. Click on download. It will download. Now you can see this. You can see here downloading start. Then just single click to open. And this is AXE. Double click to launch. Then click yes. It is closed means this is installed.